You know, you've been doing all the chasing. You've been the one texting her. You've been the one over planning. You've been the one trying to fix a date or something. You've been trying to plan for you guys to meet more often, but then she's cold. She just behave as if you should do more, you should put more effort in order to get her attention. You know, that's not totally bad, okay? Because the society already expects men to do the chasing, and men love to chase. However, women, on the other hand, also enjoy it when it is a man that is chasing. But do not also forget that some women are also riding on it. They are taking negative advantage of it. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the psychological way to flip the switch. I'm going to teach you how to change the psychology. And not just about chasing you, she'll be intentional about you, intentional about the relationship. She'll be interested about you, interested about what you like, interested about what makes you happy, interested about making the relationship work. So let's quickly talk about how to make a woman chase you, okay? And the number one of it that we are going to be talking about today is that after making an impression, you pull away. Okay, you walk up to a lady, you make your intention known, you vibe with her, you make her get interested, and then you pull away. This might sound like this is a game, and you all know that I do not like playing games, right? But trust me, this works like magic. You know that when you walk up to a woman, you already make her feel your vibes, you already make your intention known, you've already bring her up to speed to a certain stage, and she's already looking up to having a good time with you, having a better time with you. She's already anticipating how you guys will meet next. The next time you guys will be meeting, like she was already enjoying the moment you guys spent together, right? She was already enjoying the conversation. She was already enjoying the mutual respect. She was already enjoying you guys meeting for the first time, and then you pull away. This will make her, do you understand? This will make her, will bring tension. All right. This will bring tension. She want to know more. Why is this guy not calling me? Why is this guy not checking up on me? What's wrong? Do you understand? This will make her start thinking about you, start remembering a whole lot about you, miss you a lot. All right. This will also make her start to call you to ask you what's up. Well, I haven't heard from you. We're supposed to meet also time, and I've not heard from you since then. What's up? What's up? Are we not meeting again? You see that she's also the one trying to plan. But when you keep calling a woman, even when she's rejecting your calls, even when she's not picking your call, she's not ignoring your call, you call her severally, she doesn't return your call, and you keep calling, you keep texting. All right. You text the woman the first time, she did not respond. You keep texting and be pleading her while doing that. Her, babe, please, when you see my text, please do well to respond to it. I'm missing you. I'm doing all this. I'm doing all that. It is not bad altogether, but it won't make a woman take you so important. It won't make a woman take you serious, because she'll feel like, this guy is jobless. Like, it's just blessed. If he was busy, he would not have time to be bombarding me with so much SMSs. Do you understand? He will not have time to be bombarding me with SMS. He will not have time to be calling me all this time. It simply means it's not. Do you understand? He's not busy, or either he's obsessed about me. It's not just love. This guy is just looking for something else. This guy is not genuine love. I'm telling you as a woman. Do you understand? I'm telling you as a woman. Because if a man approach me and that man is choking me with calls, is choking me with texts, you make me feel like you are being obsessed about me. You're obsessed because you want to have my pants down, and once that is done, you're off. I will not see that text again. I will not see that calls again. But whenever I just call, make his interest known, and then pull away, it makes that woman start thinking a whole lot about this guy. This one that this guy is not calling, is not coming like how other guys do. Unlike other guys, they would have called me like 20 times now, but I've not even seen this guy. He really call, he really text. That means he's not even interested about my body. Do you understand? So when you do this, you make a woman think about you, and she want to know more about you. She want to know more about your personality. She want to know more about you as an individual, as a person. Do you understand? So don't allow women take advantage of you. You have to be sure that she's returning the same energy. That's why you shouldn't bombard her with so much calls and text messages, because if you do that, it may come out as you being desperate. And once the woman smell that you are being desperate about her, you've been desperate about her, she will start disrespecting you. She will lose value for you. She will lose that respect for you, and you wouldn't like the outcome of it. So when even if you love a woman, be intentional about how you call or text her, how you follow up with her, the things you do, not just in your first date, you're already planning the second date, you're already going up high the hill, you're already all over her body, you're already all over her. Do you understand? It wouldn't make her feel that comfortable. It would not make her feel like you're serious about her or the relationship. She would think that you are just like other guys that have been flaunting around her, have her pants down and walk away, dumped her or whatever have happened in her life. You know that women have a whole lot of bad experiences, and when you go into her life, you have to do things in a different way, in a special way that will make her start reasoning that you're different from others. And when you do that, she wants to know you more. She wants to see you more. She wants to relate with you more because she feels that there's something different about you that is not so rampant with other guys. Okay. Number 2 point is that you shouldn't over invest. Do not over invest in a woman you're just meeting. Because so many of you guys, once you see a woman you like, you start investing in her. When you see a woman you like, you think it is your responsibility to take care of her bills, to invest in her family, and the rest of it. When you start doing this, the woman will fake love for you. Yes, so many women, they'll fake love for you because they're already seeing the kind of money you are flaunting around them, the kind of money you're spending on them and their family. And because of that, they will just pretend to be loyal when they are not. They'll just have you as a side guy because you're already spending the kind of money that even their main guy is not spending on them. That will never make them love you, but rather they will live in pretense while keeping you somewhere for that particular reason. So when you see a woman you like, don't start investing on her financially. In fact, don't start investing your time. Do not start investing your energy. Talk more of your finances. You have to be sure that this woman is yours. You have to be sure that she's in love with you. You have to be sure that you guys are sharing the same energy, okay? Before you start doing whatever you feel you can do for her. This girl start using you as a Oba. When you cannot say no because you're afraid of rejection. Even our friends start sending you on an errand, or you yourself, you start taking care of our friends, you start taking care of our friends' bill in order to show her that you're a big boy, you have money to spend, you have money to throw away, you have money to try around. See, let me tell you, if you make a woman feel that you have so much money to waste, she'll help you genuinely. Yes, she'll help you waste that money, she'll help you spend that money. It doesn't show love. A woman who loves you will not want to stress you. A woman who loves you will not even allow her friends talk to you. Talk more of sending you on an errand because they respect you, they cross that curtain, and they have boundaries. They set that boundaries right. They do not need any form of disrespect from anybody towards you. So if a woman allow her friends to treat her however they like, to insult your personality, that's already a red flag for you to know that that woman does not love you, she does not value you, she does not treasure you, she's just keeping you there for what she's benefiting from you. So when you're with a woman, don't start investing. Watch her from distance. Be sure she's into it, like her mind, her spirit, her soul, and her body is into the relationship. Then when you're sure of her, you can start taking care of her because a woman you love, you can take care of her, not you going overboard. Do you understand? Not you going against your will, not you trying to overplease her, not you going beyond your budget in order to please her. Just do what you can and leave the rest. And the third thing that will make a woman chase you is for you to be a challenge and not a robot, okay? Do not be a robot. I know some of you're already afraid of arguing with a woman, enter words with her, like you're scared. It make you feel like she can get angry and say she's not doing it, or she's no longer interested, or she's not accepting your proposal and the rest of it. When you challenge a woman, you make her want to know you the more. Some of you, a woman will even throw all this bad character at you. You didn't do anything wrong. You just went to visit a woman or even called her on phone, and the way she responds to you, maybe someone offended her. The next thing she does was to to transfer aggression. Yes, to transfer aggression at you, is not nice at all. A woman that treasures you would never do that. And instead of you to put a stop to it immediately, because that's disrespect, she's already disrespecting you. And instead of you to stop that disrespect at that time, you accommodate it. Ah, babe, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to offend you. I only came here to see you, but I see you are not in a good. What are you apologizing for, God? Do you understand? When a woman disrespects you that way, you know from your heart of heart you did nothing wrong to her. You came there to see her with a good intention, with you. Do you understand? What's this? Got offended. No matter what it is, you don't have right to talk to me that way. And you walk away. When you do that, you make a woman know that you know your worth, you know your value, you hate disrespect. All right. And if it is a woman that was like overreacting, that time she'll run after you and she'll try to send an apology, make you see reason why she'll overreacting, and she'll never try that again. But when you already make yourself so vulnerable that you start apologizing for things you never did wrong, you're already giving her a ladder to climb. Do you understand? She will keep disrespecting you, keep disrespecting your person, keep disrespecting you as a man, and making you look like what I do not know. And such a relationship will not end well, because at some point you get tired of her insults, you get tired of her disrespect, and she herself she'll just see it as a normal thing. Do you understand? And before you know it, our friends will start disrespecting you and the rest. So you don't get a woman's respect or make her chase you by living like a robot. And lastly, if you want a woman to chase you, create a life that she wants to be part of. Yes. Create a kind of lifestyle that you want this woman to be part of. Not that you wake up every day not having a vision for yourself, not having a prospect for yourself. You wake up playing TV games, drinking, smoking, get drunk, stroll around the street, go sit with friends. You don't have plan for your life. You don't have plan for your future. No woman will take you serious. But when a woman see that your 10 years goal is already mapped out, you've already have plans ahead. Do you understand? If a woman know that you're a kind of person that is always busy, you're intentional with your life, you're trying to create a future, such woman want to be in your life. A woman that know that even with this man, my future is good. Like I'm going to live a soft life. My children will not have to suffer. That woman will make everything possible to be part of your life. But a woman that says that you are not serious with your life, you don't even have a future goal, you don't have future plans for yourself. Such woman will be like, this one that is not even serious with his own life. Is it me that want to come and suffer? Is it me that want to bring children into this world to come and suffer? In fact, it's even killing his kidney, it's killing his intestine. I don't want to suffer. No. And boom, she's off your space. Okay, so if you want to make a woman chase after you, be a man with prospects, a man with vision, a man with gold. It's not just about you telling a woman that I want to be rich, I want to be wealthy. What are those plans? What are the things you put in place? What are the plans you put in place? How do you intend to achieve this your goal? Okay, are you learning new skills? Are you going on seminars? What are you doing? Are you trying to build your company? Are you trying to create a new software? What are you doing as a man? What is exceptional about you that can trigger her, that can make her wanting to be in your life? That is what you silently make a woman chase you. In fact, you are too busy to chase a woman, so she'll be the one doing the chasing. You don't have to do so much together. Just let her know that you're a man with prospect, a man with vision. And that's all. You've done the job. So if you want a woman to chase you, you have to create a life that is worth chasing. Okay? What do I mean? Go get a life, go get a career, go get a passion. What's your passion? I don't know. What's your future plan? No plans. When a woman comes around you and realizes that you do not have a future plan, passion or career, she does not want to stay. But if she comes and see all those things falling into pleasant places, she wants to be part of your life. She wants to create that world with you. She wants to be part of your vision. Try to get your own home. I'm not saying you should go buy a house, but have your home. Have that small hole that you go back to whenever you close from the office. Not that you are squatting with a friend, you're squatting with a family member, you're even staying in your father's house and you are chasing a woman. No. Have your own home. Be resilient. Take care of your bills. Take care of yourself. Be decent. Women love this sentiment. But when a woman come around you and realize that you are such a proud person, you are a person with no vision, you are just proud, you are dirty, you are zero, you are so broke, and you are from a family that is zero. My darling, nobody wants to be with a zero. So the moment you don't have anything that will make a woman chase you, the same way they come into your life is the same way they will run away. So if you want a woman to chase you, create a kind of lifestyle that is worth chasing and relax. You see her chasing you instead. So if this video is educating, it has opened your eyes to one or two things that you know you've done wrong in the past and you think that is worth sharing, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with the group of friends that you think it's necessary to listen to this video. And do not also forget to turn on your notification in order to be notified whenever I upload my next videos. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I still remain your girl Nse, and this is my YouTube channel. This is Love Talk with Nse channel. So all we do here is to talk about love, sex, and relationship and how to make it work. I am here to help you choose the right love partner, to let you help you choose the right woman for yourself. Okay, so not until next time, be that guy that vibes with love. Keep loving right, keep loving the right person, keep being intentional, keep being you, and do not overdo. You know how we do, right? Do not forget to tell us one or two things that you have done wrong in the past that you will also want us to like. And if you have any disagreement with anything I have said at the course of this video, also drop it on the comment section. You know how we do it, right? We keep it respectful, and I'll be there reading all of your comments. You know that I respect each and every one of your comments, right? I'll be there reading and responding to your comments while we learn together. See you next time. See you in my next video. Love you guys.